Greetings, people, and welcome to Good Evening, Niger. This afternoon, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission was granted an interim order by the Federal High Court sitting in Lagos to forfeit 14 properties linked to Alhaji Yahaya Bello. And these 14 properties are spread across Abuja and Lagos, with one located in Burj Khalifa in Dubai. And another 400 million naira was also forfeited to the federal government. And that 400 million naira was initially meant to purchase a street in Ikoyi in Lagos State by Alhaji Yahaya Bello. This is very funny because these people no longer buy buildings, they are now after streets. If you go to Kogi State, Kogi remains one of the poorest states in Nigeria. I'm not talking in terms of statistics. I've been there before. During my UCOP service in 2015 in Kogi State, what I saw was an eyesore. An average Kogi woman cannot afford a full fish as a den. When she wants to prepare a pot of soup, an average Kogi woman, she has to go to the fish seller, and the fish seller will divide a single fish, into 5 parts before she's able to afford one part. The poverty in Kogi State is as bad as what I just described. And here we have criminals stealing the patrimony of Kogites. As a matter of fact, if you are very conversant with this issue of EFCC and Kogi State government, on 15th of December last year, a younger cousin to Yahaya Bello, Ali Bello, was also arrested and sent to Kuje prison after he fraudulently withdrew 10 billion naira from the coffers of Kogi State government. Someone who is not a state governor can just withdraw 10 billion naira. What a mess. But the big question today is, how are the people who will be voting for in few days' time as presidents of this country? How will they be fighting corruption? Have they told you how they will be fighting corruption? That is the big question I'm asking. We have three top contenders in the race today: Alhaji Atiku Abubakar of the PDP, Peter Obi of the Labour Party, and of course Tinubu of the APC. Among these three candidates, only Atiku Abubakar has said he was going to fight corruption in his policy document. I've read through the policy document of these three persons. That of Alhaji Yahaya Bello, Atiku Abubakar rather, called my covenant with Nigerians, highlighted how he will be fighting corruption, very specific ways. But the big question is, where will he get the conscience to fight corruption, considering that he's one of the most corrupt Nigerians on earth today? But for Peter Obi and what is it called, Tinubu, they have not been able to tell us how they will be fighting corruption in their policy document. As a matter of fact, Peter Obi have maintained at different fora that he will not be fighting corruption. Nobody knows why. That he will only come and block the leakages. However, whatever or whoever emerges as the next president of Nigeria should remember that without fighting corruption, the task of rescuing Nigeria is not complete.